Are you looking for an awesome little boat that's economical yet roomy and spacious? Then come with me for a quick walk around tour on Hunky Dory. She's a 1972 28-foot Luhrs, very wide beam, solid ride. She's got dual stations, flybridge, and one inside. She sleeps 4, but the best features on her are that super wide open aft deck, which is great for seating, fishing, diving, and best of all, great for lobstering. Just put some hoops and traps and you're all set, ready to go. She's well powered with a 318 Chrysler engine, which is about 10 years old, V-drive, and has current electronics on her. She's solid riding, economical, and lots of fun. So come with me as we view Hunky Dory here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are, starting off forward starboard bow on this 1972 Luhrs 28-footer. We see here at the foredeck, we've got a nice large flat bow, great place to walk out to with easy access. Good place to put a couple chairs when you're sitting here at the dock. We see we've got a nice new windlass right there with a plow anchor activated from both the helm and the deck foot pedals right here. She's got a nice stubby bow there. And as we come down along the port side, we see we've got a high rail, number 1, and number 2, we've got a wide walk around for easy access. This boat is very well designed for fishing and diving and recreation. Here we are overlooking the cockpit. We see just how nice and big it is, nice and open. We've got a built-in bait tank right there. Nice feature is the rail, which is lower to make it easier to get in and out, haul fish in, and allows access for dive gear. Here at the transom, we've got a nice extended swim step right there. This gives us a view of the vessel facing forward. We see we've got a nice stainless steel radar arch, lots of rod holders there, rocket launchers, and outriggers. Let's go aboard. This gives us another view of the cockpit, and we can see just how large it is. Engine access is nice and easy through this hatch in the deck. This gives us a view of our Chrysler engine right there. We see it's freshwater cooled, carbureted, and we've got fairly good risers and manifolds with our exhaust mufflers right there. From here, let's go inside. We enter the cabin through this bifold centerline door and down a step. Once inside, to starboard, we see we've got a galley, gas stove, refrigerator, and a microwave, stainless steel sink, lots of counter space, and some very nice cabinet work right there. We've got large opening side windows, and as we move forward, we have a lower helm station. We've got our gauges, autopilot, RPM, throttle controls, Morris controls right there. Got an electrical panel here, nice little Popeye style wood wheel, and of course AC master breaker there. forward, we've got a couple windows, 3 actually, and then we've got a great V berth right here. With its own hatch, nice and wide, and down the center line we're over 6 feet long. For privacy, we've got a nice door here. Just close that, and there we go. Coming down along port, we see we've got a nice booth style dinette. The upholstery is in excellent condition. It's not original, has that Tommy Bahama look. We do have nice wood work in here. The floor is vinyl, and this table also can be lowered for another sleeping area. Got a magazine rack here, and this is quite interesting. The tabletop is a chart of San Diego to Santa Rosa Island. It's actually covered and varnished in. Nice little nautical touch. We've got lots of headroom here, probably over 6.5 feet. Coming down along the side, we have our head right here. We have our raw water flush head, mirror, all the essentials. It's not a wet head, so you really can't take a shower in there, but we do have a sink and electrical outlets. The joinery and woodwork on this Luhrs is first rate. You don't see this in boats these days. From here, let's go atop. Here's another view of our cockpit. We access the bridge up this ladder. You notice we have lots of handholds all the way around, so there's always one hand for you, one hand for the boat. We've got seating up here for 4 people comfortably, and some standing room also. As we move forward at the helm, we see we have our GPS antenna, Furuno radar, Raymarine autopilot, compass, remote windlass control right there. There's an hour meter, which gives us the hours on the boat, not the engine. Stereo control, and then our GPS Garmin 182 series. We do have a fuel flow scan here, which helps us keep track of how much we've used. Got our Morse shift and throttle there, and a 12-volt outlet. The Venturi windscreen right here is in good condition. There's a view of our bow right there. This 1972 Luhrs is great for fishing, diving, just all around usage. She's well powered by a Chrysler 318 horsepower direct drive engine that has been rebuilt in the past few years.